DoorDash delivery times are increasing. Let's look at why this happens and what DoorDash is doing about it. Several factors contribute to these delays. Restaurant staffing shortages slow down order preparation. There's also a shortage of drivers, and ETA predictions are often inaccurate. The app's ETAs are calculated using algorithms that factor in order preparation, routing, traffic, and driver availability. Due to post-pandemic changes in consumer behavior and labor markets, these algorithms have become less accurate. DoorDash is working to fix these issues. They've rolled out an AI-enhanced ETA prediction system that dynamically adjusts estimates based on real-time data. For premium subscribers, there's Priority Dash with dedicated driver pools for faster delivery. They also provide delay alerts to notify users of potential issues. If your DoorDash order is significantly delayed, automatic refunds are available. For orders over 45 minutes late, you'll receive 100% credit. Partial refunds, such as 50% for 30-minute delays, can be requested through app support. Refunds come as Dash Cash or credit for future orders. If your food arrives more than 30 minutes late and no automatic refund triggers, contact customer support for assistance. To improve your delivery time, order during off-peak hours when demand is lower. Choose restaurants closer to your location to reduce transit time. Opt for pickup instead of delivery to bypass waiting for a driver. Use the app's real-time tracking and tip drivers up to 100% to incentivize faster service. If issues persist, consider alternatives like direct restaurant apps, which often provide more reliable delivery.